Can you tell me what will be the output of this code? If you know, comment it. Otherwise, let's run it. So we get 10, none, and 2. Do you know why is that? If you know, also let me know in the comments. But if you don't know, let's see why this is happening. First, let me just comment this out, and I'll copy this part. And let's see what happens if we just pass console.log here. You'll see we get three lines in our console. So for each element in our array, the console log is receiving 3 things. So each console log is receiving 3 parameters. The first one is the current item. So for example, if I make it 11 and 12, you'll see we get 10, 11, 12. And the second argument the console log receives is the index, so 0, 1, 2. And finally, the third argument is the array itself. So these are the arguments that are received by the console log, and these are also received in the parseInt. Now the parseInt only receives up to 2 arguments. So the third one, which is the array itself, is ignored. So let's remove it, uncomment this, and try to understand what is happening. So for the first element, the index is going to be 0 and the item is going to be 10. So the parseInt function takes 2 arguments. First is the number and the second one is the base. And by default, the base is 10. So the number system base 10 is basically our normal number system with 10 digits. Since our parseInt is receiving the current element as well as the current index, so for the first element, the number is 10 and the second argument or the base is 0. And 0 is a false value, so it will be ignored, and 10, which is the default, will be used. So parseInt 10 and the base is also 10. So the value we'll get here is going to be 10, which is expected, 10 in number. But for the second one, it will receive 10 as the number and 1 as base, and that is invalid, so we get none. But for the third element, we get 10 as the number and base is 2. So 10 in binary is actually 2 in base 10, which is why we get 0, none, and 2. Follow if you want to see more videos like this. And if you are serious about learning Git, check out gitmission.com. On Git Mission, you can learn Git by solving real problems in real projects given to you by your virtual team.